Hi everyone, welcome back with the fourth puzzle. Fourth puzzle is a binary puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper on, it's Tuesday, August the 18th, 2020, and this fourth puzzle is a binary puzzle number. This number will be 1, 3, 6, 4. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means we have in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Between two ones comes an O. Look, we have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Double O here, one, there one. Look, we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Then double 1 here, no, there, no. Let me see. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Then. Let me see. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Yeah. We have here double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1's in this row, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Then I cannot continue. Let me compare. Yeah. I need to compare. Yeah. Do we have a 1001 here? Do we have a 110110? Yeah, 111. Yeah, well, yeah. Almost the same. Except the last one. Then, do we have a 1001 here? 1001. Yeah. This column and that column. Let me compare. We have a 1100. 1100 empty box. 11 empty box. Yeah, I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Alright. Between two O's comes, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Alright. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We need to compare again. Let me see. 1, 1, 1, 1. This row and that row. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0. Yes, so we need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1, so this should be an O. We have a O, this should be a 1. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes a 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Great binary Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with this one, a tectonic one. So see you later. Bye bye for now.